What's going on, guys? Happy Sunday. I hope you guys all enjoyed this weekend, holiday weekend. We have Martin Luther King's Day on Monday session, so the markets will not be open. Futures markets going to be open, but a half day. Not a lot of volume going to go on in the futures markets. Good time to kind of sit back, relax, enjoy this time away from the screens, but also put in a little bit of research, do a little bit of homework. Just kind of want to see where we're at going into Tuesday's session. If we kind of take a look at the triple Qs and the Nasdaq, we had this good bounce here off of the 150 simple moving average. You can see here, got this nice confirmation of this support. Good bounce here. We're at the bottom of the range, so there's a couple of levels that we really need to take a look at. First level being that hard support right around that 374, 375 area, which is going to be Friday's lows. We know that if we lose that 374, 375 area, we've got room down to 369, and this is going to act as another level of support. So with that being said, if we want to really take a look at to the long side, we really need to get over that 380, let's call it 380 and a half. From there, that's going to take us into the 5-day moving average. That price is going to be around 382. So one thing I want to keep, just reiterating over and over and over, this market that we're in right now is not just, short everything. This market is not just buy the dip. This market is intraday, finding the best value, attacking, whether that be long or short, whatever the price action or the trend is for the day. That's kind of where you want to be. We're in a trading range, but the good thing about this trading range is there's enough range that you're going to be able to capitalize 1, 2, 3, 4 points, 1.5% move on the triple Qs, a 1% move on the triple Qs. So what I'm saying is that even though, we're kind of chopping around and we're going sideways, that sucks for people who are looking to swing play things. That sucks for people who are looking to, buy something right now on the dip and then look back at their portfolio in a week or 2 weeks and expect it to be up 20, 30%. For people who are longer term investors who are currently holding positions, and if you've bought any time in the last 3-4 months, you're probably experiencing a little bit of pain. But if you are a trader and at the end of the night you're kind of closing out that position or positions, and you're taking your cash flow into the next day with an open bias and an open mind, then you can catch great moves up and down. So what we're kind of looking at here is we're in the middle of a range. We did get this nice bounce. It is options expiration Friday, and it's a short week. I wouldn't be surprised if we do get a little bit of a bounce with an initial price target between 385 and 388. Obviously not going to go straight up, but what I'm saying is that if we do get the bounce, we are looking at 382, 385, 388. Those are the three levels that I'm looking at to the long side. Now, if things change, which they can, and let's say we come into $382, $383, and we get rejected, and then now we start losing 380, potentially where are we headed? Back down to 375, 376. So even with that, you have 3-4 points to the downside that you can take advantage of. Remember, guys, if the market is showing us that we're selling, it's a sell day, then we have no problem going short. Let's buy some puts. Let's short some stocks. Let's short some Qs. If the stocks want to push higher, we want to, if we want to have a nice bounce day, we want to go to that top of the ceiling in the range, then let's go ahead and buy some calls and let's long some stock. I hope this helps, guys. Relax, take it easy this weekend. Just do your research on some tech stocks. Some certain things are setting up. A lot of things are in the middle of the range, so we really need to confirm either to the top side or to the downside. If not, we'll just be kind of in a sideways action, which we really don't want to happen. We kind of either want to break out to the top side or we want to lose the level. So that way it's going to give us some volatility and some range that we'll be able to take advantage of some trades. I hope this helps, guys. And until next time, I will see you guys all in the next video. If you guys want to join my Discord, that link is down in the description box below. Also, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, and I will catch you guys all tomorrow.